Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Netflix download on Android. So what is download in Netflix on Android? So right now we are here. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Netflix. Then as you can see on the top right, you will see like a download icon. Then click on that. Once you click on here, you need to set up your download. So how does this work? So this works like I'm gonna give you an example. Let's do setup. For example, let's make it 2 gigabytes. So that is worth 8 hours, and it will take up to 2 gigabyte of my storage, and I'll be remaining with 9.9 gigabyte left. So right now I'm gonna explain to you how this works. So how to download? You start downloading the movies. For example, you are watching. Wait, we're gonna turn this on. For example, you're watching Mermaid Magic. So while you're watching Mermaid Magic right now, sample here. The next episode of Mermaid Magic will be downloaded to your phone. As you can see, it's now downloaded. After that, after you watch this, let's say you're watching this,
It's so trash monsters.
then you're done watching it. After you're done watching it, the next episode will be downloaded again and again after you're done watching it. So yeah, that's how it works. That's how as you can see right now, it's downloading the few episodes that I've been watching. So yeah, that's how downloads in Netflix on Android works. But if you want to stop it, just click on the oh my gosh, it's watching because it's downloading and it's watching this one because my nephews are watching the other room and they're using the account. So yeah, that's why it's downloading Little Angel and Mermaid Magic. So if you want to stop it, just click on the top right smart downloads, then just off that, and there you go, and make it zero, back to 0 gigabyte. Then there you go, and download for you, and off the downloads for you, and there you go. That's how you stop the downloading in the Netflix. So yeah, that is the Netflix download on Android. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.